Mount the sensor. Connect the paper feeder to the printer. Loosen the screws of the paper feeder and pull it to a suitable distance. Install the DTF film into the take-up reel. Tighten the screws. Pull out the film and loop it around the paper tension rod. Lift the pinch roller. The film passes through the pinch roller to the suction platform. Put down the pinch roller. Pick up the film. Lift the pinch roller. Pull out the film. Put down the pinch roller. Move the platen sheet to press the edge of the film. Press 1/3 to 1/2. Turn on the paper feeder to forward. Install roller on the take-up reel to roll up the film.